Welcome class second. In English first, today we will start third chapter. The chapter name is Daddy Fell into the Pond. Now I will recite this poem and you will repeat it, learn it, make your video and send in the group. Everyone grumbled, the sky was grey. We had nothing to do and nothing to say. We were nearing the end of a dismal day, and there seemed to be nothing beyond. Then Daddy fell into the pond, and everyone's face grew merry and bright, and Timothy danced for sheer delight. Give me the camera, quick, oh quick! He is crawling out of the duckweed click. Then the gardener suddenly slapped his knee and doubled up, shaking silently. And the ducks all quacked as if they were daft, and it sounded as if the old rat laughed. Oh, there wasn't a thing that didn't respond when Daddy fell into the pond. In this poem, the poet is talking about the dull and boring day, and no one is having any work to do. After some time, the daddy of the children fell down into the pond, and now everyone's faces were happy, and they start laughing and dancing. A child immediately takes camera and start clicking the picture, and suddenly the gardener also slipped on the ground. And this is the double happiness for the kids, and they start laughing. And at that time the ducks were also making the noise quack quack, and it seems that they are also making fun of Daddy and gardener. Everyone was very happy and making fun when Daddy fell into the pond. Now students, come to the exercise part. The first exercise is circle the correct option to complete the following sentences. You can circle or you can tick also. Dash fell into the pond. Who fell into the pond? Daddy. Okay. Daddy crawled out of the pond, sieved duckweed. Duckweed is the correct answer. Read the rhyme and you can find out the answer. Everyone's face grew dash and dash. The answer is merry and bright. A. This exercise you will do in book only. It was a dash day. Dismal, cheerful or hot. You will write dismal. Dismal means very boring and dull. The dash slapped his knee and laughed hard. Who slapped his knee? Gardener. And Daddy fell into the pond. So bachcho, do this exercise in book, recite the poem, learn the poem. Your homework is to make video with action and send in the group. Thank you.